Welcome back. While the print function sends information out, the input function is responsible for bringing data into the program. It pauses the program execution, waits for the user to type something and press enter, and then returns the data. 1. Basic input and prompt. The input function takes one optional argument, the prompt string. This string is displayed to the user before the program pauses, telling the user what to enter. 2. Crucial concept, string return type. This is a single important rule. The input function always returns data as a string, regardless of what the user types. If the user types a number, it is still stored as a string. 3. Typecasting. If you intend to use the input for arithmetic operations, you must explicitly convert the returned string to a numeric type, like an integer or float, using typecasting functions. To summarize, the input function is our connection to the user, but remember its output is strictly a string. Always apply typecasting if you need to treat the user's input as a number. We have learned how to take a single input. Our next lecture, 0705. Reading multiple inputs.